Meaning of graphics tablet.
Graphics tablet.
Graphics tablet.
Graphics tablet.
Graphics tablet. A graphics tablet, also known as a digitizing tablet or drawing tablet, is an input device used by digital artists and designers to create, edit, and manipulate digital graphics in illustrations. It consists of a flat surface, often with a stylus or pen, that allows users to draw and interact with software applications in a natural and intuitive way. Graphics tablets are commonly used in a wide variety of industries, including graphic design, animation, video game development, and architecture. They offer precise control over the creation of digital artwork, providing a more tactile and expressive experience than traditional computer input devices such as a mouse or trackpad.